What is due process for Social Security benefits? Imagine relying on your Social Security benefits to pay bills, buy groceries, or cover medical costs. Now picture losing those benefits without warning or explanation. That's where due process comes into play. It's a set of legal protections that make sure the government treats you fairly before making changes to your benefits. Because Social Security benefits are considered a property interest, you have a right to fair procedures before they can be reduced or stopped. When the Social Security Administration wants to take an adverse action, like stopping or lowering your benefits, they must follow specific steps. First, they need to send you a written notice explaining why they plan to make the change. This notice should include details about the reason and the evidence they used to decide. You then have the right to respond and challenge the decision. You can request a hearing and present your side, including evidence or witnesses if needed. Sometimes, you can even cross-examine witnesses or ask the agency for more evidence. The rules for due process depend on the type of benefit and the situation. For example, if you receive supplemental security income benefits and the agency wants to stop payments for reasons like overpayment or eligibility issues, they must give you advance notice and a chance for a hearing before ending your benefits. This comes from a Supreme Court case called Goldberg versus Kelly, which said benefits like these need a hearing before they are cut off. For Social Security disability insurance benefits, the rules are a bit different. The Supreme Court in a case called Matthews versus Eldridge decided that a full hearing before stopping benefits isn't always necessary. Instead, the agency must give you written notice and an opportunity to appeal. This balances your interest in receiving benefits with the government's need to manage resources efficiently. When the government claims you were overpaid, they must also give you notice and a chance to challenge the overpayment before they start collecting money from you. This ensures you're not unfairly penalized without a chance to explain or dispute the claim. In practice, this means that if your benefits are about to be reduced or stopped, you should receive clear communication from the Social Security Administration. They must tell you why and give you a chance to respond or appeal. You can request a hearing with an administrative law judge who will review your case and decide if the action is fair. If you disagree with the judge, you can take your case to a higher court. Sometimes, benefits are cut or stopped without proper notice or hearings, which can violate your due process rights. Legal advocates recommend that anyone in this situation seek legal help quickly. Knowing your rights helps protect your benefits and your financial security. For retirees and seniors, understanding due process means you can stand up for yourself if the government tries to change your benefits unfairly. It's your right to be heard, to see the evidence against you, and to have a fair chance to keep the benefits you relying on every day.